Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm going to show you how to upload Facebook profile pic. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to upload Facebook profile pic. So let's get started. So guys, to upload Facebook profile pic, you have to simply open your Google Chrome. Now simply type in search bar Facebook and press enter. Now simply click on first link Facebook login or sign up. So click on it. So guys, here you can see our Facebook homepage. So guys, here you can see account option at the top right corner of the page. So simply click on it. So guys, in this option you can see the option of see all profiles. So simply click on it. So guys, here you can see two profiles. So I need this profile, the first one. So simply click on it. Now go back. Now again click on this selected profile. So guys, here you can see our Facebook profile. So guys, to upload Facebook profile pic, here you can see this option, small camera option here. So simply click on it. Now in this option, you can see three options: upload photo, create an avatar profile picture, add frame. So you can select any of them. I'm going to select this upload photo. So click on it. So guys, this is the image. So I want to upload this image as a Facebook profile pic. So simply click on it. Now simply drag the pic. So after that, simply click on save. So guys, here you can see our profile picture has been uploaded. So guys, here you can see we have upload Facebook profile pic. So you can also upload Facebook profile pic by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.